Historically, the stock market has been one of the surest ways for investors to build significant wealth. Although bonds and commodities are other ways investors can grow their nest egg, none of these alternative investments come close to surpassing the average annual return of the stock market over the long term. But over the past couple of years, investors have flocked to a new avenue to get rich: cryptocurrencies. Since hitting a pandemic low in March 2020, the market value of all digital currencies has grown 20-fold to $2.84 trillion. 5 reasons Shiba Inu could head higher even after a 10,800,000 gain of the more than 13,700 available cryptocurrencies. None has had a more impressive run of late than memcoin Shiba. 1. The prospect of SHIB tokens listing on Robinhood. One of the key factors pushing SHIB tokens higher is the expectation that online investing app Robinhood Markets will list Shiba for trading at some point in the not-too-distant future. Listing would make sense given that Shiba has been a borderline top 10 coin by market cap for the past couple of weeks. It would also satiate the more than 450,000 people who've signed a petition for Robinhood to make the move to list SHIB. Listing on Robinhood would be important for a couple of reasons. It would help to improve liquidity and, more importantly, increase awareness of the coin, which can now be found in more than 925,000 wallets, according to Etherscan. 2. Shiba Swap is encouraging longer hold periods. Another upside catalyst for Shiba is the launch of Shiba Swap, which happened in July. Shiba Swap is a decentralized exchange that's helping to improve liquidity and increase interest in Shiba. Arguably the most important aspect of Shiba Swap is the ability of hodlers to stake their tokens to earn passive income. Staking is nothing new in the cryptocurrency space, but it should encourage investors to hang on to their tokens for a longer period of time. For some context, the median holding time for SHIB has doubled from 6 days to 12 days in 3 weeks, according to data from Coinbase Global. Though this is still exceptionally low, it's trending in the right direction. 3. Elon Musk tweets Shiba to new highs. Never underestimate the power of Tesla's CEO Elon Musk with a smartphone and a 280-character limit on Twitter. Musk is no stranger to moving the cryptocurrency market with his tweets. He sent Bitcoin notably higher earlier this year when he announced that Tesla had added $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin to its balance sheet. He's also pulled the rug out from beneath cryptocurrency investors, such as when he canned Bitcoin as a payment option for Tesla's electric vehicles over the environmental concerns tied to its mining. Even though Musk doesn't own any SHIB, he did recently adopt a Shiba dog, which he named Floki. He also regularly posts memes containing Shiba dogs. While these tweets represent nothing tangible for the Shiba token, the community nevertheless buys Shiba anytime Musk mentions the breed. 4. The fear of missing out proves powerful. Additionally, the fear of missing out, better known as FOMO, is a factor that could certainly push Shiba higher in the short run. According to software developers Hub Vacancy Technology, Shiba is the third most searched cryptocurrency on Google in 2021. That's behind only Bitcoin and Ethereum. This interest is in direct relation to Shiba. Numerous mentions on social media, its rapidly growing Reddit community, and of course its 10,800,000 plus gains since its inception a little over 15 months ago. Seemingly every cryptocurrency investor is looking for the next Bitcoin, and they've demonstrated a willingness to chase high flyers to achieve big returns. 5. Few avenues exist to bet against SHIB. Lastly, there's an inherent buy bias throughout much of the cryptocurrency space. For example, it's relatively easy for investors to short sell a stock or perhaps use options as a way to bet on the future downside of a security listed on a major stock exchange. But with the exception of Bitcoin and Ethereum, there aren't any true derivatives that can be used to bet against digital currencies. Also, while short selling is available on some cryptocurrency exchanges for a small handful of digital currencies, it isn't a widely used tool, especially considering the incredible volatility seen in the cryptocurrency space. Without active short sellers, there's a natural bias that pushes Shiba higher.